What do you want to do this evening?
Hey guys, so welcome to meal prep. It's Monday, so Monday. I'm going to be meal prepping some chicken curry with chicken thighs, and then I'm going to put some carrots, bell pepper, onion, a yellow squash, some frozen spinach. The main things you need besides whatever vegetables you have in your fridge is you'll need a jalapeno. I'm using 2. You'll need some curry powder, some salt, ginger, and garlic. So I'm doing all of this in an Instant Pot. So I put some peas on the bottom, and then I'm going to layer the chicken on top of that, and then put a few carrots on top of that. Carrots are kind of heavy in carbs, so I'm not going to be using too many of those, but probably about 1 cup. So here is how many carrots I'm adding, and I'm just going to add that right on top of the chicken. And then I'm going to put some squash, the spinach, an onion, bell pepper, and 2 cans of coconut cream. And then I will show you what the seasoning mixture is. While you're cooking, your son will probably be hungry. Yum. So for each package of chicken I use 1 can of coconut cream. So I put 2 packages of chicken, so I'm doing 2 cans of coconut cream. And I'm going to just pour that right in there. Alright, so my squash didn't fit, so I'm going to do something else with that. But here's all the ingredients in the pan, and now I'm going to put in probably a teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 minced jalapenos, probably about 1 inch of this minced, and 3 garlic cloves. So there's everything in the curry. My kids are having a yelling contest over there.